Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to prep docs your bookkeeper needs monthly in Pilot Bookkeeping. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So based on Pilot Bookkeeping's monthly progress, or like the monthly process, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Pilot Bookkeeping website or app. You will now primarily need to provide access to your accounts during the initial setup. After that, the process is mostly automated and you will mainly respond to the requests for unauthorized or uncharacterized transactions. So, first of all, for your initial setup and ongoing access, you need to have the bank and credit card accounts, accounting software, and other financial tools. Now you need receipts, and for monthly preparation and communication, you need to categorize uncategorized transactions, respond to unusual activity, and submit out-of-pocket expenses by providing receipt for key purchases as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.